Here's going to be a quick tutorial on how to read a Vernier micrometer. So right now we can see we're closed. We're reading 0, 0. We give it a twist here. This is 5 thou, 6 thou, 7 thou, 8 thou, 10 thou. If we go a full revolution from 0, we are at 25 thou. And you can see also that we are at this first line here, and those lines are in 25 thou increments. So once we reach that first 25 thou increment, we now need to add the number we get on this dynamic barrel to that 25 thou. So here would be 30 thou, here would be 31 thou, 25 thou plus 6, and here would be 40 thou, 25 thou plus 15, 0.040. If we go another full revolution, we will be at 50 thou. And then the same thing, we got to add this number on the dynamic moving barrel to that 50 thou. 55 thou, 58 thou, 62 thou. And then if we go full revolution, that's 75 thou, 0.075. And if we go another full revolution, we will end up at 0.100. And then from here, 0.105, 0.110, and then the rest is exactly the same as this. We just keep adding those 25 thou increments to that dynamic barrel number. And right here we have 0.225, 0.230. We'll go to 0.25, quarter inch, 0.251, 0.252, etc.